Hey guys, so obviously you saw the pictures in this post because now you're to the video, but I'm going to show you what it looks like because so many people ask about this. So normally, like this is the coffee that we use, that's what goes into my espresso machine that of course, grinds itself. This is also the same coffee beans I'll use, I'll pulse a couple times in the deluxe cooking blender when I normally make cold brew for myself, because I do prefer that. Because otherwise, what I have left over when I pour myself some espresso in the morning is very, very fine coffee grounds, okay? But I don't want to waste this stuff, so sometimes we'll use it and like mix it into protein balls. Otherwise, I will use it in my cold brew pitcher, and I'll also do some frozen coffee ice cubes with it.